everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to do a Valentine's Day look with drugstore products. And today on my eyes, I am using the Wet n Wild ColorIcon V.I.Purple. I love this palette. I don't usually reach for colorful palettes. Usually I'm totally neutral, but this one I've been loving. And when I decided to do a Valentine's Day look, I knew I wanted to use this palette just because it's so pretty. I did also do a prestige brand eye tutorial, and if you have not seen it, I will leave the link for you in the description box. Today's look, I did a very bold eye with a very neutral lip, and I had a ton of fun playing with makeup today. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and stick around because I'm going to zoom you in and we're going to put this on my eyes. So now that you're zoomed in quite a bit, we can get on with the eyeshadow. My full face is done. All of the products that are on my face will be in the description box in case you're curious as to what's on my face or my cheeks. Okay, so the first shade that I am going to go in with is this transition color right here. It's kind of a cool brown, and I am just going to go in with a fluffy crease brush. I am tapping off the excess too. I want the cool color from the brown, but I don't want it to be too punchy or pigmented, but I do want something there. This, I think, might be my second favorite palette that Wet n Wild just came out with. I do like the goldy warm neutral one, of course, because I like neutral eyes, but I think this one's my second favorite. It's so pretty. Sometimes I do this color just all over my lid and in the crease a little bit and then mascara and be done. I'm going to go in with this dark pink shade right here. Maybe I'll go in with the brush. Let's do it with the brush. I'm going to get this flat shader brush and I'm going to get it wet and then I'm going to dip into the color and we'll see if that works. And I am just placing this on the center lid. Now that I'm applying it, I almost wish I would have done a halo eye. Oh well. We're gonna go with this today. I am really a fan of kind of the ombre look where it's darker on the outside and kind of fades to very light on the inside. Personally, I feel like it really does open up my eye, though I do like a halo eye. Okay, very, very pink, very, very pigmented. I did spray with the e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. I'm gonna wipe off the excess on one of these sponges. And then I'm gonna use the other side. It's stained pink, so I'm gonna use the other side. And I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here. And then I'm going to blend it in with that pink so that those two colors kind of fade together. And do the same thing on this side. This is such a pretty color. And when you think you have the color payoff that you're looking for, then you can stop. But if you want more sparkle or anything like that, you go in. It's your makeup, it's your face. For the outside V, actually, I'm going to take one of these flat shader brushes, kind of pinched, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's kind of a purpley brown, and I'm going to take that on the outer V, tapping off the excess, because these are very pigmented. And just kind of stippling it where I want it. And building the pigment to the desired level that I want. It's so pretty. I'm also going to start taking it up towards the eyebrow just a little bit. I don't have extra pigment. I'm just kind of using what's already there and pushing it up. And when I get it to the height that I want, I am going to tilt my head back and take that all into the lower crease, into the natural crease almost. My eyes are hooded, so I have to keep my crease shades a little bit higher than my natural creases. It blends out so pretty. And with a giant fluffy brush with nothing on it, I'm going to take and just blend the transition shade and that crease shade together. Just make sure that everything's all seamless. Go in and do the same thing on the other side. I love this pink. I don't wear a lot of in-your-face colors often, but this pink is really, really pretty. And nothing on it. It's about the same. This eye is smaller than this eye, and it's also more hooded, so I just try to make sure that I lift it to the same spot and then place it in the crease. So this eye does get more in the natural crease than the other one, and it doesn't go as high as the other side of my face. You can absolutely use makeup to make illusions so that they look kind of even. I do the same with my eyebrows. My eyebrow is actually lower on my face, so I tweeze more on the upper side on this side and then more on the lower side on this side to kind of balance them out. You tweeze your eyebrows. You don't pluck up your eyebrows. You pluck a chicken. You tweeze your eyebrows. So next time you tend to your eyebrows, you tweeze them. And I'm going to go back in with this big fluffy brush, and same thing, just kind of smooth the edges. Make sure we're all even. I am going to go in, with this flat smudger brush, and I'm going to take that first transition shade that we went in with right here very closely. I'm going to tightline to my lower lash line. And I'm going to take that 2/3 in, just about to the edge of the colored part of my eye. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And I do make sure that I just very gently touch into that outer V so that the under eye smoky kind of is cohesive and still part of the makeup look. It's not its own. There's that, and then again I'm going to wipe it off on my sponge, and I'm going to go in with this pink shade right here, and I'm going to bring that down just in the center, so just where the colors in my eyes are, that's where I'm going to place it. Not a lot, but enough that you can kind of see it. Again, I don't want to go too crazy. I still want to feel like myself and not be, oh my god. Then I will go into my highlighter because I wanted a cooler inner corner, and there wasn't much in here. So I am going in with the highlight on my cheeks today, and the highlight I've kind of been obsessed over. It's the e.l.f. Shimmering Highlighting Powder in Pearl Glow. One of my favorites. And I'm going to use a small flat shader brush. And I'm going to use that highlighter and highlight the inner corner. And lightly go over just a smidgen of that purple that we laid down. And then I'm going to bring it around the tear duct, just using the edge of it and kind of line the eye as well. Sure your edges are blended, and that is it opens up the eye. And I usually am not a fan of the shimmery inside. Usually I like a matte color on the inner corner, but lately I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just this highlighter, but it is made me fall in love with the shimmery again on the inner corner. So I've been doing this often. Love this highlighter. I just think it's so pretty. Touch on that purple just a little bit. It's so pretty. Woo! Throwing stuff. Okay, and I am going to take this fun micro fan brush and dip into the highlighter as well and highlight the eyebrow. I am going to go in and line my eyes real quick with the Flower Beauty color in Amethyst, and I will be right back. Okay, and there's the eyeliner, both the top and bottom lash line. I do just take it to the inner third. The inner third does not get any eyeliner, although the waterline does. The top lash line does not. I do start just right here, pretty much where the edge of the color of my eye is. I start there and I act as though the eyeliner is coming right out of the lash line. And it doesn't get very thick, but it does do a little bit of thickness because I do want you to still to see my eyelids, which I'm losing reality space on my eyelids, so I keep the eyeliner quite tight to my lash line. And I'm going to pop some mascara on and I will be right back. Okay, and here is the finished look. I hope you guys have a fantastic Valentine's Day next week, and I am really liking the look. I will say that I usually don't do this bold of an eye, but this palette is just, it's so good. I love it. Every time I use it, I'm like, I'm so glad I have this. Have you guys checked any of the new Wet n Wild palettes out? Let me know down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to tweet me or Instagram me all of your Valentine's looks. I love makeup. I love seeing what everybody else is wearing and how they're celebrating the special day. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. I do upload every Monday, Thursday, and Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I had a lot of fun today creating this look, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye!